Wow. That's on Facebook or Instagram, whichever. And it's like Del Taco. Hi, I'm Mo. Today I'm going to be hopefully cleaning this printer with this jelly cleaning gel. You just take a little bit in your hands, just to start, just a teeny bit, and you're supposed to knead it a little bit with your hands, just massage it. And I guess we can start with this surface right here. This really dirty, dusty surface right here. Well, maybe you need a little bit more than I grabbed, but we'll see what happens. And you're supposed to leave it on, it depends on what surface you're using, but usually a minute to start off with. And if it's like a certain kind of material, or like, it just depends on what it's made out of. Sometimes it's 2 minutes, sometimes it's even 30 seconds, but a minute is usually a good way to start off. All right, so after I put this on, can't forget to knead it. And we're just gonna see. We're gonna keep it on for a minute, and then we'll see what it does. All right. Now we wait. You can also take a little piece and just dab it on surfaces like this. See, if you don't like need it to sink in, like to get the little crevices, you can just easily. Yep. Okay, it's been about a minute, so I'm ready to see what this thing does. Let's take this off. Wow, that's a lot cleaner than I expected. All right, see, it's shiny. It looks brand new. That's crazy. And it leaves a little bit left on there, but they're little tiny. Like, it doesn't, like, you can just pick it up and it's brand new. And the same piece that I used on here, I'm going to knead it a little more. And I'm going to put on this piece right here. Just spread it as much as you can. It melts eventually, like it kind of makes itself like into the form, kind of like liquid. It starts to melt into whatever form it's in. So it doesn't need to be perfect, but see? Now we'll wait another minute and we'll see. It's great because you can squeeze it as little, like as much as possible, like whatever you need. It's flexible, it does whatever you want. So it really works anywhere. It's great. It's great because you can squeeze it as little, like as much as possible, like whatever you need. It's flexible, it does whatever you want. So it really works anywhere. It's great. Huh? Yeah, this is really simple. Like there's no water or soap or spray. It's just you pick this up, could carry it around everywhere, like in your car. That would be cool.
Okay, how do you clean that up?
Well, I think it's time to get a new piece.
Do it with your hand.
If
It's not perfect.
it's not doing it anymore.
It's not perfect. See, that's what we gotta talk about.
Sometimes I'm noticing that it will start to get stuck and it becomes like a little sticky because it's sticky on my hand. So when it comes off and it stays on the surface, it gets a little sticky, but not too much. Like right here, it kind of left a little piece, and it kind of spread, but we'll see. We're gonna check this out now. See, it melted like into the little crevices in here. So let's take it off. See, it mostly comes off in one piece, but like sometimes there's little pieces, but overall, that looks great. That's pretty clean. And if it's not like spotless and you like want it a lot or like better, you can just keep putting it back on, 3 times it says like is the most, but I think 1 time pretty much like.
So what do you actually think about the product?
I like it. It's easy. It's really simple.
Would a beautiful Mo buy this product?
I think I would buy it, yeah. It's easier than like getting a towel, finding the spray, whatever. Just throw this at your friend and then hey.
Mo recommends it.
I recommend it.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Before you go, give us your social medias one more time.
My social media is Mo_Danielle, and that's for Facebook, or you can, that's for Instagram. And you can look me up, Morgan Del Sesto, on Facebook or Instagram, whichever. And it's like Del Taco, but Del space Sesto.
Don't be making me hungry.
Thanks. Hi, I'm Mo. I'm about to do the basketball challenge. I'm a little bit nervous, so let's see how this goes. Ready? Oh my god!